Project is Shobha Orbis. It's got 7 towers, starting from your Tower A, Tower B, C, D, E, F and G. So it's like a triangular shape with all the amenities in the middle. This whole land parcel is 400,000 square feet or more. So you will have all the amenities in between the towers. These are the shared amenities free to use for all the residents. You have big pools, jacuzzi, small pools, volleyball, outdoor gym. You'll have more than 8 sports courts here, including basketball, tennis, paddle, with lazy river flowing throughout the community. You have a full retail promenade here with restaurants, coffee shops, retail. You will have more food courts and restaurants here. And in Shobha, every building on the ground floor is reserved for retail spaces where you have supermarkets, hypermarkets, clinics, game rooms, etc. Apart from that, each building, as you can see in this project, each tower has its own dedicated lobby area, own gym, steam sauna, jacuzzis, library lounge and indoor amenities. So individual amenities as well as you have the combined amenities. Also the USP is in the front of this tower, Tower A, the proposed metro station is going to be coming, the pink line of Motor City metro station. So that definitely will be very big plus point in the future when the property value will appreciate. So you will have Motor City metro station. Within 1 to 1.5 years of the project launch, the handover of this project is December 2027, and we have a very nice interest-free payment plan which is 60-40, which means 60% during construction and 40% on handover, which can be mortgaged. So the 60% during construction is 20% down payment and 10% every 6 months. So this project is Shobha Solis. We have 4 towers here, Tower A, B, C and D. This project's USP is it's made for active living. Also is that you have a full racetrack around it, so you can actually watch races from your apartment whenever they have the F1 racetrack. Plus on the left side of Tower A, you can see we have the Arsenal branded sports complex. That will be 3 stories of just sports activities like paddle, tennis, squash, rock climbing and all Arsenal branded gym equipment. You will have this full amenities podium. This will have Olympic size lap pool, outdoor cinema, individual pools for each tower. You have the basketball, tennis court. There is a sunken pool with sandy beach, around which we will have the full working spaces, lounge, library. Apart from that, each tower will have its own gym, steam sauna and other individual amenities to that tower. Plus you have the joint amenity podium. 1 parking comes included with every apartment and 1 balcony is standard minimum with each apartment. Tower D is the only one in this project which is going to be fully furnished. All other apartments of ours come semi-furnished, which means you will have the electronics like fridge, dishwasher, gas, oven and washing machine. All of this with German brands 10-year warranty. Now what is behind Tower D is shopping mall. You have the full shopping mall right behind Tower D, so it's walking from any of the towers. Plus, as I said, Tower A, B, C will be semi-furnished, so you will have all the electrical appliances with 10-year warranty, and Tower D will be the fully furnished apartment. This one is very close to Orbis, the first project that we saw. It's going to be a 5 minutes distance from each project to the other. Payment plan is 60-40. Payment plan is 60-40, which means 60% during construction, 40% on handover. The 60% is divided like 20% down and 10% per 6 months and 40%